in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Caldwell County in western North Carolina, southeastern Burke County in western North Carolina, until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles southeast of Morganton, or 5 miles north of South Mountain State Park, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Drexel, Connolly Springs, and Valdez around 11:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Lenore, Lake Rhodus, Granite Falls, and Eichard around 11:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. St. Stephen's around 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Lake Hickory around 11:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include North Lakes and Pleasant Grove. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location. The National Weather Service has issued
another TOR. Look at this. I haven't seen this many TORs since Frederick. You got 2 for Alexander and now 1 for freaking Catawba County. That came out of nowhere. This could have been in the Piedmont today. This is crazy, y'all.